How to change your name on TicketMaster. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your name on TicketMaster. For that, you want to open up any web browser and head over to ticketmaster.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to click on the My Account option at the top right corner of your screen. Then, from this menu, you want to click on My Profile option. From this drop down, select Profile Details. Now another page is going to open. Here you will have all of your info. All you want to do now is simply edit out your name. So you can go ahead and edit your first name. You can edit your last name as well if you want. Now click on the Update Details option. Once you do that, your name will be successfully changed. Now, if you check, your name has already been changed on Ticketmaster, and in these simple steps, you will be able to change your name. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.